Well, good day, everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. Today, we're going to try and attempt to put the ball joints in the spindles that I picked up here. The package came in yesterday. Let's see if we can get this open. Package come in. I got the two bottom ball joints, and I got the two upper ball joints, and they even give me new bolts to tighten everything in. So hopefully everything goes well. I just got to go into the Lenny shed here. They're away today, so I got access to the garage. So yeah, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to try to attempt to put these ball joints in. I just got to go in the shop, get out some tools, and see if I can find the electric impact. So when we go to put these back together, it won't be so hard. Anyway, yeah, got the two ball joints here, or the spindles. These spindles here are in a lot better shape than the ones that are on my van right now. So I've got these now. All I need to do is order my bearings and seals, and whenever we have a few hours spare, we're going to tackle that there. As soon as they get back, and if I can get all this done, then we'll tackle that. Not going to be today, but we will tackle it. Anyway, we'll get you set up here, and see you in a moment. Well, kind of got you set up here. Even give a bolt for the top. I've never done this before, so looks like you're going to fit. I think in the video I watched, they say you got to pop the rubbers off. They're tight. I'm going to try to get this rubber off. Without damaging anything. Well, that came off pretty easy. Okay. Get it fairly straight. Now I just got to find the ring to push this on. One of these has got to fit. That doesn't. That one there doesn't. Well, this might be a challenge. I'm hoping that's the one. We'll see how this goes. We may have to get you zoomed in here. Can we zoom you in? Just a moment. Well, you might not be able to see me, but you'll be able to see what I'm trying to do. All right. Do. Got to remember how this goes. I think we got her backwards here. Nope. You know what? I think I'm going to have to watch a video and see how this is put in. Because right now I don't have enough room to get that in there. Anyway, just give me a moment. Well, I'm back again. I watched a video and I was doing it all wrong. So anyway, I'll get you set back up. I got to see if I can find all the right stuff that the guy was using to do this here. And we'll see how it goes. If not, I'll have to wait till my friend Lenny gets back. Anyway, we'll get you turned around. Well, we're going to see if this here is going to work. See how far we can get this in here. Hate when that happens. You almost need an extra set of hands here to keep everything lined up. Gotta keep checking here to see if I can find something that'll fit over this. All right, we're going to give that a try. That's of all this. Don't think she's gonna fit. I need something that size. Oh, we'll put you on a well, we got the bottom ball joint in. Went in, got the spring clip on. We couldn't find a proper tool, so just used a pair of vice grips, or not vice grips, needle nose. Now, just got to see how how this one goes on. This one should be a little easier. We'll press that one in. That one even takes a spring clip. Don't know if there's a special way, because that's got a slot in it. I don't think the old ones had a slot in it. Well, that will go on there. I'm hoping I didn't do this wrong. Well, we're going to find out real quick. I'll go over there. I think that'll fit, yeah. That goes like that. Not sure how this one's going in. That almost fits right over top of it. I guess that's the one there. That'll go there. Okay, I think we got her. Get all this other stuff out of the way. Well, get that in there. Okay. Yeah, this is a two-man job, I think. Or you need lots of patience. Well, we're going to try that and see how that works. Well, this here that's bottom right out and just fitting flush here, so I think that is good. Anyway, so there we go. I got the one set in. Yeah, the top ball joint doesn't go all the way through. I can't put the clip on it. I guess that's the way they're made for different applications for cars and for the vans and trucks or whatever. Maybe that ball joint fits a whole different variety. But we'll get you out of the stand here. So anyway, this is what she's looking like. There, just a moment. Yeah, we got that one put in. I just got to put the boot, but see how it's flushed? The other one was flushed just like that. This one here is all the way in, and I got the snap ring on there. So I just got to put the grease nipples in there, and we'll be all good. And then I'll put the rubber boots back on. One down, one to go. I'm not going to video the next one here. But yeah, it's almost a two-man job. You just need a little patience for holding everything into place. And yeah, you know, the tools are a little bit on the heavy side. They're a little awkward to hold. Try to hold all these pieces together. If you ever watched any of the videos, or if you ever done any of this stuff yourself, this isn't an educational video at all. Like, not at all. I just like doing my own work. And when it's time to install these, when we go to tear the van apart, I'm going to try my best to set the camera up. I've got my little stand here. Then I've got my bigger stand here, which you were on there just a little while ago. But anyway, I'm going to finish this up, get these two done, or the other one done. And then I just hide them back under here until it's ready to go. I think I'm going to get some grease and I'm going to put it on this the spindle itself. These spindles here are really nice shape. On mine, this section here is all damaged. All this here is wore right down. So I'm getting a lot of wheel shake and whatnot. And I can grab my wheel and move it back and forth. So anyway, I think that'll be it for today for this one here. I just wanted to show you is the one. I'm going to do the other one. And now that I've got everything out, and I kind of have it figured out, now I just got to remember how to do the second one. But anyway, if you enjoy this content, give me a thumbs up. You know, hit the subscribe button. Please leave me a comment. You know, tell me if I could have did something different to put these together. Like I said, I had to sit down. I had to take a break. Sat on the deck here, went and watched the video. And they show how they took it off the vehicle, and then they just showed them putting it back, the bottom ball joint on. The top one looked like a new one in the video, so give me the gist of it, and I was doing it all wrong. So I'm glad I stopped, watched the video, because I don't want to damage these here. But anyway, thanks for following along, and if you're watching these here, please subscribe. It helps me out, and you're going to have a lot of laughs in the near future. So anyway, thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, I'm back again. Just letting you know that both of them are done, putting everything away, and we'll have them on there soon. Bye for now.